Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a pickup address to your Horza seller account. First click on pickup addresses or this red label. As we can see, right now address book is empty. So click on add a new address. First enter a name. Now enter a contact number. Now enter an email address. Now enter your store or pickup address. Now enter a landmark. Now give it a tag like home or office. Now enter a postal code. After entering postal code, click on the submit button. As we can see, our pickup address added successfully. To make changes in this address, just click on update or edit address button. After making changes in your address, just click on update button, and address will be updated.